Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And today I just want to show you some ways to use alcohol inks, that's our blends, and get some really cool looking backgrounds, or even stuff you can cut out for your cards. And I'm just going to do a few of them. What you're going to need is you're going to need alcohol inks. We have Stampin' Blends. You can find out more about those down below, and I'd appreciate it if you do. You're going to need Vellum cardstock. This is what we sell also. You can find them out down below. You're going to need isopropyl alcohol. I'd recommend 91% or above. Don't drink it, just use it for crafting. You can use an aqua painter, a stamper, watercolor painter, or even just some cheap brushes. I like to use, just put it on the our craft mat. Now, first off, I'm going to show you, oh, and you can also use our Stampin' Spritzer. This is supposed to be alcohol. Let me just check. I have two of them running around here. Oh, yep, alcohol. Okay. And you may want to use some a heat tool to dry it fast, because if you dry it slow, it does go like this. You can use it, but it does wrinkle. I don't have my heat tool with me. It's still in the RV, and we're not in the RV. So first off, what I want to do is I want to just show you there are some really great papers in the new catalog. This is an alcohol ink type thing. So I just want to show you how to do some of that. I'm just going to put some alcohol ink. Now, if you don't have vellum, you can use window sheets. If you want. So I'm just going to do that. And I am then just going to drip. And I will tell you, do not mix your alcohol with your water. Okay, you're just going to drip, because your water does not spread it like it does with your alcohol. And I had to go over, well, this one a couple of times, because I had water in here. And there you go. Now, again, I would, if I had my heat tool, I would use my heat tool. I don't have my heat tool. Now, one of the things why you want to use 91% alcohol is it dries really faster than the 70% alcohol. So you really want it to dry so it doesn't. And you may even want to just blot it. You don't want to. So. Yeah, Mary's really going to need to go out, and the only bad thing about it is if I open it, I have to open it up totally, so I can't really get my stuff. But anyhow, that will make you something like this. And again, it does, you can mix different colors, so if you want a different coloring, you can. Now I want to show you another one. I want to show you using the Spritzer. So let me pick out another, and that what I'm going to do is I'll probably use these for backgrounds or cutouts or something. So I'm just going to This is Night of Navy. Let's do some, and I like to use the darks. There's lights and darks. We have lights and darks. And I'd rather use some of the darkers because it shows up a lot better. And just go like this. And then what I am going to do is, where's my spritzer? Ah, there's my spritzer. I am just going to take that, make sure it's, and there we go. Now you can just, you see how it runs? You can do that. You can also take your aqua painter and paint over it, or just leave it as it is. And again, you want to quickly dry it. You don't want to do it that way. Let's do. And again, if you're going to use your heat tool, don't get it so close so it moves it, especially if you got it the way you want it. And that's pretty well good. Okay, now another one I want to show you is how to do, I've got the Friends Are Like Seashells, and it's got a really cool thing, and I wanted to do some sea stuff I can cut this out. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to take another piece of this, and I am just going to wave it. That's Bermuda Bay. This is Night of Navy. Let's do some soft succulents. And how about some Granny Apple Green in this too? And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a paintbrush. I'm going to take some alcohol. I've got the alcohol in here. And I am just going to follow the lines. Now you don't want to get it really wet, again, because that'll roll the paper. And if you got some spots here that you want, you can add more, dry it and add more, or just take your brush and blend it in. There. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm blowing on it. Now that's going to give me a really nice background, I think. And I can put one of the seashells in there. Now I've done a few others. This is just the light one, another one. I did a couple of different colors. Now, you see some of these. Now, say I want some, this is dry now. Say I want some bubbles. Say there's a little fishy in there. So what I'm going to do is just tap that, and look at the bubbles start forming. Can you see that? Anyhow, please follow me on YouTube, and since I'm a demonstrator and you would love some of these blends to do this alcohol ink for, just check down below and shop with me. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.